Understanding the phrase, hoping to achieve, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, hoping to achieve. This phrase is not just a set of words, but a window into setting goals and expressing aspirations. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language. So, let's dive in. Hoping to achieve is a phrase that combines two important words, hoping and achieve. First, let's break down these words. Hoping. This word comes from the verb hope, which means to have a desire or expectation for something to happen in the future. It's a feeling of wanting something to be true or to happen. Achieve. This is a verb that means to successfully bring about or reach a desired objective or result through effort, skill, or courage. When we combine these words, hoping to achieve suggests a person's desire and expectation to successfully reach a goal or fulfill a dream. Now, let's see how hoping to achieve is used in sentences. This will help you understand its practical application. 1. I am hoping to achieve a high score on my English test. Here, the speaker expresses their desire to do well on a test. 2. She is hoping to achieve her dream of becoming a doctor. This sentence talks about someone's aspiration to become a doctor. 3. Our team is hoping to achieve significant progress on the project by next month. In this example, a group of people have a collective goal for a project. Even for advanced learners, there are common mistakes to watch out for with this phrase. Don't confuse hoping to achieve with guaranteed to achieve. Hoping implies a desire, not a certainty. Be mindful of tense. Hoping to achieve is often used in the present continuous tense, as it talks about an ongoing desire or goal. And that's a wrap on hoping to achieve. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like this. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to hope to achieve your language goals. See you in our next video.